The stretching of time caused by the expansion of the universe is something that is not easy to understand. As with most things in cosmology, since the universe is so big, it's hard to wrap your head around it. So here is an example to help visualize the stretching of time caused by the expansion of the universe. In this example, imagine an alien in a galaxy halfway across the universe. He takes a laser and fires 3 bursts of laser light, 1 second apart. So the duration of the total event is 2 seconds. Now, light always travels at a constant speed, so we would expect these 3 bursts of light to maintain their spacing of 1 second apart. But notice how space is stretching in the background as these 3 bursts of light make their long journey to Earth. The expansion of space stretches out the spacing between the 3 bursts of light. Finally, the 3 bursts of light arrive at Earth, but when we receive them, we measure that they are 3 seconds apart. But when the 3 bursts of light were originally sent out from a distant galaxy, they were 1 second apart. Everybody's clock runs the same. A second is a second for both us and the alien. So who's right here? We are both right. Both perspectives are correct. This is the reality of our universe. The initial event of firing the lasers was 2 seconds duration. But here on Earth, that event is perceived as having a 6-second duration. Let me repeat that. An event that took 2 seconds from the perspective of the alien who fired the 3 bursts of light, that same event took 6 seconds as perceived by us here on Earth. That initial 2-second event has been stretched by the expansion of the universe to 6 seconds as perceived by us here on Earth. So now, what if that 2-second event was instead a 6-day event starting with the beginning of the universe? Our 3 bursts of light of 6 days duration travels across the expanding universe. So how long would that initial 6-day duration seem to us on Earth? How many days would it appear to be? That's exactly what I'm going to show you in this presentation. That initial 6-day creation period in Genesis has been stretched to 13.7 billion years from our point of view, from our space-time coordinates here on Earth. From the Torah's perspective, the universe was created in 6 days. From the space-time coordinates here on Earth, 13.7 billion years have passed since the beginning of the universe.